Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video. Okay, so in this video we're just going to be diving into a much debated topic, and that is a comparison between MT5 and TradingView. All right, so we're just going to be comparing these two popular platforms. Okay, both of these platforms have gained significant popularity in the Forex trading community, but they serve different needs and preferences. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, understanding their differences is key to choosing the right platform. But let's just start by breaking down the basics of both platforms. All right. Now, MT5 or MetaTrader 5 is the successor to the highly popular MT4. All right, it is a desktop-based platform designed for trading, offering everything you need for execution, executing trades, analyzing the markets, and even automating your strategies. Okay, it has more advanced features than MT4, including better charting tools, um, more time frames and additional order types, right? Additional order types, making it a favorite for many professional traders. Now, TradingView, however, is a cloud-based platform that is more focused on charting and analysis. It is incredibly popular due to its user-friendly interface, modern design, and its ability to connect traders from around the world with a social trading aspect. Now, while it doesn't have native trading execution like MT5, you can still integrate it with brokers for executing trades. All right, you can actually connect with brokers depending on the brokers that are available on the TradingView platform though. All right, so you can still integrate it with brokers for executing trades directly. All right, now one of the biggest factors in choosing a platform is usability. Okay, MT5 can be intimidating for beginners. While it is incredibly powerful, its interface can be a bit overwhelming with multiple windows, settings, and chart options. So if you are familiar with trading platforms, this might feel natural, but if you're just starting out, there might be a learning curve. Okay, TradingView, on the other hand, is known for its sleek and intuitive design. The platform is web-based, meaning you don't need to download anything, and you can access it from any device with an internet connection. It is much easier to navigate, especially for traders who focus heavily on charting and analysis. All right, now when it comes to charting, this is where the platforms diverge the most. MT5 comes with advanced charting tools, including multiple time frames, order types, and a vast range of indicators. It also supports algorithmic trading, meaning you can use expert advisors. You can see you can actually add expert advisors, for automated trading. The charts are functional, but not as visually appealing or customizable as TradingViews. TradingView, on the other hand, is renowned for its superior charting capabilities. It offers a massive variety of technical indicators, a whole lot of them, to assist you. All right, it also has a lot of drawing tools and customizable options. Sorry, here are the technical indicators. These are where we have the indicators, right? Even custom strategies, right? Custom strategies are also available, and then a whole lot of trading tools. All right, these are where we have the tools. Okay, all right. So this is just to aid you, with your analysis, to make your analysis easier and more enjoyable. So if you love drawing and analyzing price patterns, TradingView might be the platform for you. Okay, another bonus of TradingView is its social features. You can share your analysis, view others' charts, and follow expert traders to get insights from the community. Okay, now let's quickly talk about, let's quickly talk about the broker integration. Okay, like I already said, the MT5 offers direct integration with brokers. You can execute trades directly on the platform, right? Directly on the platform, you can execute your trades. It is optimized for speed, making it a go-to platform for active traders and scalpers. Now, the platform is designed for executing orders efficiently, and it supports multiple asset classes, including Forex, stocks, and commodities. TradingView, however, does not have native execution. It's a charting and analysis platform, meaning you need to link it to your broker, through third-party integrations if you want to execute trades directly from TradingView. Some brokers support TradingView integration, but it's not as seamless with MT5. Okay, now when it comes to speed and performance, MT5 has a clear edge in terms of execution. It is designed for fast order execution, making it ideal for active traders and for those who need to enter and exit the market quickly. If you're trading on lower time frames or scalping, MT5 will likely serve you better. TradingView, while great for analysis, is not as focused on execution speed. Since it is a web-based platform, it might not be as fast or reliable for executing trades as MT5. However, for traders who prioritize analysis and charting, this is not a huge downside. Now, lastly, let's just quickly talk about cost. Okay, MT5 is free to use for most brokers, meaning you can get started without paying a subscription fee. You'll only need to pay your broker's fees or commissions, for executing your trades, basically. But TradingView, however, has a free version, but it's quite limited in terms of features. To unlock premium features like multiple charts, advanced indicators, and longer time frames, you'll need to subscribe to one of their paid plans. However, many traders find the subscription worth it for the extra features and enhanced charting experience. Okay, now which platform should you choose? MT5 or TradingView? Which one is right for you? If you're an active trader, someone who needs fast execution on a platform that is built for trading, MT5 is your best bet. It is powerful, reliable, and perfect for executing trades across different asset classes. If you're someone who values analysis, loves drawing on charts and enjoys a user-friendly experience, TradingView might be the better choice. It is great for visual learners and traders who prefer social interaction and collaborative charting. Ultimately, the decision comes down to what is more important for your trading style. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more Forex tips and platform reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.